Hey guys, it is Ray here with you today, and today we are making this beautiful look right here. Yes, it is inspired by upcoming summer. It's inspired by waves and beach and the sun, bright and shiny. Before jumping into the video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and at the end, if you liked it, please put thumbs up. With all that being said, let's rock this look. Okay guys, so I have the borders preset for our blending here. So with all that bright and juicy colors out there in stores and online and everywhere, and the spring coming, I mean, I feel it with my skin that the spring is coming, and all that bright vibes, I just totally could not resist it. So I've decided to go for a bright, bold look. First of all, let's prep our eyes. And of course, with my favorite Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Primer. I will be using today the recent thing. It is not brand new or something, just I've decided to play with it today. It is Jaclyn Hill's palette with Morphe. I will start with shade Beam. And of course, my favorite 224 MAC brush. Coat it and apply all over the lid. I'm getting my Sonia Kashuk Crease brush, Professional Collection, shade M-F-E-O. That one in the center. I mean, you get it, right? And now we are ready for Butter. Same brush. Morphe 507 brush. Hunts. So now guys, our warm tones, nudes are done, and what I'm doing is getting my new Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. I've been dying to open it and check it out. Never did. So let's try it out together. By the way, the shade is Light Ivory. So it has a doe applicator. It doesn't have any bright fragrance. However, the consistency is pretty thick. That makes me believe it's gonna give us a good coverage. So let's try. I need to cut crease with my concealer. I'm getting 1975 brush by MAC, of course. So to the back of my hand concealer goes, and let's cut that crease. Next, I'm getting my Sephora flat brush and this amazing, vibrant twerk. Our color is here and put in a place, so let's give it a good blend. So I will grab a little bit of that bright orange color on my Morphe 507 brush. Our upper lid is done, and we can let our eyes free. So far so good. First, do our lower lash line, and the second, erase the mistakes, of course. Let's start with the lower lash line, and for that purpose I will do the same blue color twerk, but the brush will be 228 by MAC, precise brush. Same brush, color Hunts. time to get rid of that imperfections. Concealer, flat brush, let's go. Eyes are done so far. We will add some mascara, falsies, and so on later. Right now we're gonna go to the foundation. I've learned one fun trick. I've learned it online, and we're gonna test it with you right now. I will not go for a primer or anything, but I'm gonna go for the face oil. Today I'm gonna use, it is not the whole bottle, it is just a tester. But anyway, it will work. It is a daily reviving concentrate from Kiehl. And I will apply it instead of a primer and moisturizer. And what it's supposed to do, it is supposed to give our foundation a good base, and it's supposed to glide on our face. So let's go ahead and try that out, and we'll have our final thoughts at the end. Right now the oil is all over our face and the neck. I'm gonna go for the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. Today I'm buffing it with my e.l.f. Kabuki brush. Whoa, you guys, so it does the trick, it totally does. I love how it spreads, it just applies like a butter on top of the oil. And no matter what, because, okay, I'm giving up. I did it once with my beauty blender and the other foundation, but I wasn't sure if it's the foundation is good because it wasn't a pricier side, or if it's the blender or whatever it is, or it's the oil. But today I'm using totally different things. I'm using drugstore foundation, I'm using the Kabuki brush I was not so sure about, and it still spreads so perfectly. It's not cakey, it's not patchy, it's not showing off all the lines, so it spreads so easy. And to be honest, what I just noticed is that the amount of product I need is just the way less than usual. So beauty blender, it soaks up so much, but even with that I didn't need that much of a product. And right now with the brush I needed like few dots. I've put like the way over of what I needed. And I mean, look at that airbrushed finish. It's like literally in life it looks so well. Whoa. No primer, not anymore. Just the face oil. And it could be any, it can be a special oil, because there are a few brands that sell that kind of oil. It can be face oil like I'm using today. The only thing, it's supposed to be a thin oil, not like E-vitamin or something. It's supposed to be really thin oil which will absorb by your skin easily. This is done. Let's do a little concealer. With my MAC 134 powder brush, I will apply my favorite MAC Select Sheer Powder. Sonia Kashuk Large Powder Brush number 100. My Sculpted Face by IT Cosmetics. Switch the brush for the MAC 224 for the nose contour. For brows, today I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Let's do our waterline with my favorite, amazing, fascinating by MAC. I am really fascinated by the Khol, and I don't mean this exactly is perfect, but the Khol in general, because it is such an ancient product. I'm not afraid to say that, because it comes to us from the ancient Egypt, where people were covering their eyes, their upper lid with the dark black Khol and the lower lid with the green Khol, and even the newborns had the Khol in their eyes, and it was very strongly believed that this liner inside of the baby's eyes will protect them from the evil eye, if you know what I mean. So, and when the scientists analyzed the Khol, the one which is stored right now at the Louvre, the ancient one from the ancient Egypt, they went to the fact that inside of that Khol was the antibacterial elements. It is crazy how smart they were at that time. Right now I'm gonna do my falsies off camera. Here we go, the falsies are on, and now it's time for blush and highlighter. For blush, I will be using my new Physicians Formula Butter Blush Vintage Rouge. It is extremely buttery, but at the same time it is so pigmented. No jokes. I mean, you need just tiniest bit of that blush and you will cover both of your cheeks. For the blush brush, I'm using my It Cosmetics 227 brush. I wasn't joking at all. One dip of the blush, both cheeks are done. Boom! So for the highlighter, I have something also new to try out today. I've tried the butter blush before, but this one is completely new. It is Wet n Wild Mega Cushion highlighter. So let's open it up and let's see. How do you open it? Oh, here we go. It just parts. You see? Let's get the fluff that was with it. Whoa, it's blinding. I mean, this is no joke, you guys. It's wet and wild. It is really wet glow. Can you see that? I know I'm going really risky right now with applying cushion over the powder, but I mean, it's perfect. What's left in our look is the lips. I'm really in love. I'm just obsessed with this product. It is a Powder Puff Lippies by NYX, and today I'm using Puppy Love. It is bright, it is warm toned, just gorgeous. Today, for the setting spray, I'm using my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Favorite for many years. So guys, thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. That is applause for you. I enjoy making them so much, and I'm having a great time and I'm having fun. I hope you do too. I hope you enjoy it. So in the comments down below, please let me know what is your favorite lip product. So this one is mine. I'm curious what's yours. I will definitely see you in the next one. And for now, mwah.